This is gonna be the other elevator at the North Garden, Mall of America, in Bloomington, Minnesota. It's another MEI elevator. This is the internal elevator. Let's go up to 3. Listen, here we go. Listen to the motor. Here we are at 3. Up, going down. Before you go into 2. Alright.
I bet them suckers weigh like your tire. Huge.
There you all go.
She does that to him.
Have a good day.
Hand.
Alright. This thing uses the reflex somehow. It takes like 2 seconds to level. It's gonna cab dude. It's a nice elevator, it's huge. This one replaced the old Otis glass elevator that was around that area of the mall. And they took it out. And I actually rode that over before when I was a kid, but I didn't have the channel back then. Anyway, here's some Innovation Universal fixtures. And you know what, we're in the middle too. The motor sounds very nice. 88 Ford. Anyway. Watch the door closed. There it goes, and that is it.